Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how you can turn even if it is your $2 $5 into $100 $200. Okay, it will sound like too good to be true, but it's exactly truth. you know Using I'm going to be showing you how you can trade meme coins. Meme coins works like magic. You understand? It works like magic. So guys, I will be showing you exactly how you can do that. But firstly, if you don't have what is it called, if you don't have phantom wallet, if you don't have phantom wallet if you don't have this wallet, you go and download it on Play Store. And second app we're going to use is desk screener, this app here. So if you don't have the both of them, quickly go down to Play Store and download them. Okay, you download them and then we move ahead to desk screener. Okay, so but firstly, before we start anything, if this is your first time of seeing my video on YouTube here, please subscribe, like my video, share it and comment. Okay, don't forget to click the notification bell. Okay, and basically we talk about cryptocurrency in this channel. We talk about how to make money, we talk about cryptocurrency update, airdrop update and forex trading. Okay, these are the things we talk here in this channel. For you to be getting updated, you have to hit the notification bell. Okay, don't forget to do so. So kindly, have you done that right now? Okay, so now first thing you need to do here is you have to go to your desk screen. Okay, so we're going to desk screen now right away. So once it loads, what we're going to do here is we're going to set it to our choice. Okay, so basically I have set this to my test already. So but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you most of the settings. Okay, so let's wait for it to boot. Okay, all right, so I have set this to 6 hours. You can basically do you set your own. Some set for 24 hours, some set 1 hour, but I've set 6 hours. So after that, you click on new. Okay, new trend in 6 hours. So it's going to pop up. Okay, um I have already set this to my test. So I've set it to my test. As you can see, it's in new trending 6 hours, and all chains I've set it to solana. Okay, so and this is, I've set it already. Like some people would want to a coin of BSC and all the rest, but it's so we are talking about here. So it's, I have set it already. So first thing you need to do, all decks, you can click on all decks. So once you click on all decks, you select radium. Okay, you select radium. So all the coins you are going to see here will be sol and radium. Okay, as you can see. So the next thing we are going to do here is check the liquidities. Okay, see this one right here. Now let's take this Mr. John. Okay, what we're going to do here right away is check if this coin is rug or good one. Okay, so look at the liquidity here is 109k and the FDV is 532k and the market cap is 532k also. So here, the first thing we're going to do here, all you need to do is for you to copy this address. Okay, we're going to go to rock check. Click on it. We're going to go to rock check, click on it. It's going to open. Okay, it's going to open. So What we need to do here is paste the wallet address here. We are going to copy the link. Click on check. Okay. Okay, as you can see, Mr. John is good. Analysis, risk analysis 200. Okay. The market cap here is 284,850,728. Okay. Right away, the liquidity LP is locked. The LP is locked. Okay. All right. We are going to go back to Phantom Wallet. Okay. That's what we are going to do here. Now, it's time for us to place that trade. So I don't have enough soul here because this is not going to, I can't use this to buy this coin, but I want to show you exactly the same way you can do your own if you have soul. Okay, so you're going to click on site. Okay, you're going to click on site. Now you will look for radium. Okay, because that one is under radium. Okay, so allowing it to load. All right, so we're going to, our wallet is connected already. So what we will do here now is already on. So assuming I want to trade now, so you click on the down one. Okay, so we are going to search for that coin. Okay, I'm going to place the link right away. All right, you see it here, Chad. You click on it. So it has entered. So assuming I'm doing this, I'm going to click on smart. If the amount of soul you want anyway, if it is $50 worth of soul, you type it by yourself and then you click on swap. Once it's done, then you it's going to reflect here. It's going to reflect here. You see it here in this very place. Is going to be here. So if you are watching it, you have to watch it to be growing. Okay, you are going to be seeing how it's going. So once you made the profit you want, you go back and swap it back. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. Assuming I want to swap this one back right now, I want to take this one. You click on swap. Okay, or you go back there. We'll go back here now. Okay, as you can see, what you need to do, this one that I want to swap will be at the top, while the soul will be at downwards, because I'm trying to convert this deep sea to soul. Okay, so you click on this center one. Now you're going to see that ahead the soul is down, the deep sea is down, because I'm dropping this one to this one. Assuming I want to buy this one, the soul will be up and this one will be down. The deep sea will be down because I want to use soul to buy deep sea. But now I want to take this, I want to uh, convert deep sea to soul. So soul have to be down. So assuming I want to do that, now I'm going to click, you see, on max. So if I click it right here, so you are going to see swap now. You click on swap now. So but I'm not swapping it. Okay, I'm not doing that. So if I want to swap it, I'll click on swap and it's done. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Okay, don't forget to share with your friends and family, and please hit on the notification bell. Okay, now success is not about hard work. It's not about how long you have worked. It's about you working smartly. Okay, the smart move is what pays right now. Okay, it's not about you killing yourself under the sun. It's not about you stressing yourself. It's about you, your brain, the smartness. Is what pays right now. It is what makes the success. Okay. All right, guys. See you in my next video. Thank you. So guys, note that I am not your financial advisor. So if you want to go into any trading, make sure you uh, do your own research, okay? And don't forget to use the money that you can be able to ignore. Spare money, okay? Thank you.